Hey!
Hey, what's up?
We're getting ready, going outside. Here's Mr. Elijah, all dressed
He's
warm.
all spacing. What's up, dude? Oh, there he is.
Well, he just ate that whole 9-ounce bottle, so I'd be spacing like from being so full.
Very true.
Yep, and our car is stuck because it snowstormed, and the driveway here it sucks during winter, so we have to get our car unstuck somehow.
Yep. So that's what we're going to do right now. What are you doing? He frequently wants to fall off the bed for some reason. Look at this, dude.
So it's like literal ice, and we're pretty much stuck. See how much snow there is? And it's, yeah, we'll get it out eventually.
We'll get it. Get out.
But yeah.
Chipping away. One day we'll get out. Jeez, I should know. See, that's what happens when you try so hard to get to an appointment that you literally dig yourself in, and then it freezes overnight, and it's worse than it was when you started. My mistake. Gotta learn someday, right? Today's the day, boys and girls. And he's like, why is he talking like this? That's crazy. Alright.
That was such a better shovel than the other one.
Yeah, the other one's all plastic and breaking.
Yeah. That's why I was like, why'd you give me this one to use?
That's not for you.
It's so cold with the wind.
Yeah, it is.
I can't do this one-handed. Look who's in there. Oh. Okay. So we're still stuck after a few different plans.
Hey, not yet. We're not stuck.
Yeah, we're
Totally.
gonna try this again.
1, 2, 3. All right.
Oh my gosh.
Read.
This sucks.
Okay, so we're gonna reverse and try to move. Come on, come on. Come on, let's do it.
It's just back in that little notch thing.
There we go. We're moving. Yes. Okay. How about it? Come on. All I have to do is turn back up. Ready? Get it. Come on. Come on.
What?
Come on. Come on.
Your mom's car.
Oh shit.
Your mom's car. You like sprayed it like.
What? I thought you said I didn't hit it.
That
I
is
sprayed
so
it.
awesome.
Yeah, look at that, dude. We are O-U-T, my friend.
Yeah. We're just gonna see it still. Just...
Yeah, dude. We're Audi 5000. We're almost out of gas 5000. Whoa, look at this ice.
Hey guys, so now that we got stuck out, we are at the gas station getting gas because we were running out of gas, as you saw. After this, we gotta get oil and antifreeze. So oil and antifreeze, and then that's pretty much all. And then we're on to enjoy the day. But guys, seriously, you gotta do what you want to do because we got stuck inside, and man, it sucks to be stuck. So yeah. Alright, so we got some oil and we're putting it in. Well, Isaac is. We're at O'Reilly's in the dollar store. Yep. Trying to get things done today. We've been stuck in the house for like so long with no way to get out because we've been snowstormed in, like literally, like so much snow. Like look at that. This is the dollar store. Look at that. It's crazy. But at least we got unstuck, so that's the good thing about it. It's super windy though and cold.